Sing-song. The good Lord Darius presents himself against you now. He's more worthy as a foe. But use the rooms you won from Smilesville to good employ, and you'll slay him dead just like Antonius. Library. Training room. First, build a lair, and then a hatchery, then claim the portal near your dungeon heart. You have claimed a portal. The library, where warlocks wise can hone their evil craft, perfecting spells for you to cast at goodly foes. Hark now, a warlock has arrived to study spells within your library. His research will serve your magic well. Restrict him not, though, to his books, for when in battle he may prove formidable with fireballs. Your creatures require a place to rest. Build them a lair. Your library is not yet functional. You must enlarge it. Every bookcase in your library will attract another warlock to your realm. Game saved. A new species of creature has entered your dungeon. And now to build a training room. It's best to make it square and 4x4, so that there'll be targets for your creature's training needs. A task well done, but training creatures will cost gold. Your imps have found some dwarves. These righteous little pests may stray onto your land, and if they do, destroy them, for that's what they deserve. Your creatures make good progress. One improves his skill to level 2. A creature can train as high as level 4, but that's the limit. Further skill can only be attained out on the battlefield. A new spell has been researched. Mana is the currency of magic, and it's this you spend each time you cast a spell. Your mana level shown in green atop the screen. Your land will gradually renew it as it's spent. Cast your new spell to create an imp. So open now the panel Spells and select the imp's head symbol. Then cast it with a click on any land that's yours. The paltry dwarfs are now destroyed. Allow your creatures time to rest and eat. When ready, guide them north to find Lord Darius's keep. A good cast, Keeper. You've made good use of your warlock's studious research. A left click on your creature picks it up. A right click on claimed land then lets it drop. Be wary, though. Don't drop them too near enemies, for the dropping stuns these beasts a time and makes them vulnerable to enemy attack. Imps are creatures born of magic and cost mana to sustain. You may wish to train your warlocks to improve their skills. To do this, drop a warlock in the training room. Your minions need a larger training room. The time has come for you to face Lord Darius. Tag the flashing tiles. Your imps will tunnel to his keep. Game saved. Lord Darius's walls are breached. Your forces now must kill his guards and stir Lord Darius himself to come defend his land. At last, Lord Darius has been roused. He enters through his hero's gate. Your forces now must kill him, and the portal gem of Sing-Song will be yours.
Keeper, dare not think that you will conquer me, you evil wretch. My dwarves and the power of good will drive you from this land.
I see you have discovered a magical item. Your mana reserves have been increased.
You seek to defile my realm with your foul sword. You will perish, Keeper.
Lord Darius lies dying. Now comes Horny here to claim you the